two mortals staring at each other across an ocean. Both know one must reach out first. Do they swim or make a raft? Shelter themselves from the warmth of each other. Tensions high, emotions run wild. Like smooth stones skipping on the water's surface. Thoughts broken into cycles. The ocean soon evaporates into his being. Life is just no longer constricted. She screams, he no longer hears. She walks forward, he walks away. The ocean, the one thing that kept him longing for her, needing her, loving her, is now gone, and so is he.